Welcome to our Google Calendar tutorial. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone trying to stay organized, Google Calendar is your go-to tool. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your calendar. Let's dive in. 1. Access Google Calendar. Open your web browser and visit Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account, or create one if you don't have it yet. 2. Navigate the interface. Familiarize yourself with the different views: day, week, month, and agenda. Use the search bar to find specific events or dates. 3. Create events. Click on a date and time to create a new event. Set the event title, date, time, and location. Add event details, reminders, and notifications. 4. Multiple calendars. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and other categories. Color code your calendars for easy identification. Overlay multiple calendars to see all your commitments. 5. Share your calendar. Click on the calendar you want to share. Go to Settings and Sharing. Add people by email and choose their access level, view only or edit. Share your calendar link with colleagues, family, or friends. 6. Tasks and reminders. Use Google Calendar for tasks and reminders. Create one-time or recurring tasks. Set due dates and receive notifications. 7. Mobile app integration. Install the Google Calendar app on your smartphone. Sync your events across devices. Do you have any questions about sharing your Google Calendar? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.